Hi, it's Maurice Deveau. We're broadcasting live this week from the Disney Magic, and we have been talking to a lot of great staff members here that have made our trip very enjoyable. And Ashley, you've been one of them for sure. You're the assistant cruise director, right?
That's right. That's right. I'm so glad to hear that too.
So tell us what the assistant cruise director does on the Disney Magic here.
Well, in a nutshell, that means I'm in charge of all the family and adult entertainment on board. So basically anything that the kids, the families, the adults are having a great time, that's what my team does.
And judging by the fact, and we said this before, that none of the kids have wanted to leave those areas, we think you guys are doing a really good job.
That is one of the consequences. We have parents all the time. They come up to me and they go, I can't get my kids out of the kids' spaces. And I'm like, sorry, unintentional consequence.
So, all this week we've been broadcasting live, telling everybody the great time that we're having. If someone's thinking about taking a cruise, why should they make it a Disney cruise?
Well, first of all, they should stop thinking. You just got to do it. I mean, it's one of those things. I had this great conversation with the guest just last cruise, and he looked at me and he goes, I can't believe I've waited this long to go on a cruise. And when my family decided to go on a cruise, we said, you know what, we're going to start at the best. And he goes, you're going to see us back in January. You're going to see us back next year during the summer. Thank you so much. And I love it. That's what we do. We make sure that we have great family entertainment as well as that high-class service that we want to give to our guests. And you're not going to find it anywhere else except here on Disney Cruise Line.
I can vouch for that. I can definitely vouch for that. Well, thank you so much. And I always ask everybody this question. How is it working for the mouse?
It's fantastic. I really do. I have the coolest job. I get to work with entertainment here on the beautiful Disney Magic. It's great.
Well, Ashley, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to spend with us. And like I said, we will be on the ship for one last day today, enjoying ourselves. And thanks to the whole staff here on the Disney Magic. Maurice Deveau, we are broadcasting live on I-93 from the Disney Magic. Have a great week, everybody.